Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2228 pertains to a low voltage reading in the Barometric Pressure BARO sensor circuit within the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This DTC indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, is experiencing a lower than expected voltage output from the BARO sensor. The BARO sensor plays a critical role in measuring atmospheric pressure, which is essential for calculating the correct air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. This sensor is typically located in a place where it can accurately measure pressure changes, often near the intake manifold. When the PCM receives a reading below specified thresholds, it triggers the P2228 code. It is crucial to ensure that the PCM label is correctly identified, as it may be manufactured by Keihin or Continental, which could define the troubleshooting process. The BARO sensor is integral to the vehicle's engine management system. Its primary function is to monitor the atmospheric pressure, and it sends this information to the PCM. Based on this data, the PCM adjusts the air-fuel mixture to optimize engine performance, an essential process for efficient combustion and emissions control. The BARO sensor is located near the intake manifold to ensure it accurately captures current atmospheric conditions. A voltage reading below specified thresholds indicates potential issues affecting engine performance and efficiency. For a Keihin PCM, the acceptable reading is approximately 43 kilopascal or 12.7-inch headlights, while for a Continental PCM, it's about 35 kilopascal or 10.3-inch headlights. This variance underlines the importance of knowing the specific PCM type before proceeding with diagnostics. The possible causes of DTC P228 can severely impact vehicle performance. Poor electrical connections can often result in fluctuating or inaccurate voltage readings at the BARO sensor, leading to misinterpretations by the PCM. A faulty BARO sensor itself can fail to properly detect atmospheric pressure, which prompts the PCM to generate this DTC. Additionally, if the PCM does not have the latest software version, it may misread the data provided by the BARO sensor, falsely indicating a low voltage scenario. Each of these causes requires thorough inspection and testing because they can contribute to significant performance and efficiency issues within the vehicle. Thus, diagnosing and addressing these underlying causes is paramount for resolution. Symptoms associated with DTC P2228 can significantly impact the driving experience. Poor engine performance may manifest as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or general sluggishness. Drivers might also notice increased fuel consumption as the PCM struggles to optimize the air-fuel mixture due to incorrect atmospheric pressure readings. Alongside performance issues, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system may also store additional diagnostic trouble codes, indicating that the vehicle has other issues that might need addressing. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial, as they can lead to more severe mechanical problems if left unresolved. Awareness of these symptoms can guide drivers and technicians towards swift action for repair and maintenance. The first step in resolving DTC P228 is to turn the ignition switch to the on position. This step powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine, allowing for diagnostic checks. Next, it is vital to access the BARO sensor data using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Verify that the BARO sensor reading falls within acceptable limits. For a Keihin PCM, this should be around 43 kilopascal or 1.31 volts at most. While for Continental, it should be approximately 35 kilopascal or 1.08 volts. If the readings are below these thresholds, it indicates that the BARO sensor circuit is presenting a low voltage condition. Finally, check the label on the PCM to confirm whether it is a Kaihin or Continental unit, as this will inform the subsequent troubleshooting steps. After confirming that the ignition is on and the PCM information is gathered, the next crucial step involves interpreting the voltage readings from the BARO sensor. If the indicated voltage is low, as previously defined for either type of PCM, it confirms the presence of the DTC P2228. If the readings are satisfactory, this could indicate that the system is functioning correctly at that moment. However, intermittent failures could lead to the same DTC under different conditions. It's essential to recognize that intermittent failures might not always show up in immediate checks, but can still cause operational problems. This understanding is vital for technicians diagnosing the problem accurately and ensuring that no underlying issues are overlooked. If the BARO sensor voltage is confirmed to be low, the next step involves ensuring the PCM has the most up-to-date software available. Many issues can be resolved simply by applying the latest software updates, which may improve how the PCM communicates with sensors like the BARO. If the software is current and issues persist, substituting the existing PCM with a known good unit may be necessary. This approach helps isolate whether the current PCM is faulty. After implementing these changes, it's crucial to again check the BARO data to see if the issue has been resolved or if further steps are necessary. These procedures are important in identifying whether the fault lies within the sensor or the PCM itself. The following step is to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs that might be present in the vehicle's diagnostic memory. Access the HDS again to view whether DTC P2228 still appears alongside any other codes. If P2228 persists, it is then essential to inspect for poor electrical connections or loose terminals at the PCM. Such issues can contribute to the BARO sensor's low voltage readings. If any connections appear compromised, addressing these will be crucial for ensuring reliable data transmission. If the PCM was updated recently and the issue persists, substituting with another known good PCM may confirm whether the original PCM is the root cause. Ensuring that connections are secure and that the PCM is functioning correctly is paramount before concluding the troubleshooting process. Once all troubleshooting steps have been executed, verifying the repair is essential. Ensure that DTC P2228 does not reappear in the system by running a diagnostic check with the HDS. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be performed to confirm that the engine is operating smoothly without any performance issues. During the test drive, pay attention to whether any performance issues previously noticed have resolved. Continuous monitoring and review of the vehicle's diagnostic system post-repair is critical to ensure the problem does not resurface. By establishing that all parameters are within expected ranges, confidence in the integrity of the repair can be assured. Preventive maintenance is vital in averting the occurrence of DTC P2228 and similar codes. Regular inspections of the BARO sensor can catch potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. Ensure that the vehicle's PCM software is kept updated, as manufacturers often release patches that optimize system performance and reliability. Another crucial area for preventive maintenance is to regularly check all electrical connections related to the BARO sensor and PCM. This task helps to avoid intermittent failures, which can be difficult to diagnose. Keeping up with these maintenance practices will significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering low voltage readings and improve the overall operational efficiency of the vehicle. The DTC P2228 indicates a low voltage issue with the BARO sensor circuit, impacting engine performance and efficiency. Understanding the role of the BARO sensor is paramount for technicians and vehicle owners alike, as it directly correlates with optimal engine operation. By identifying issues early, through attentive monitoring and troubleshooting, technicians can prevent further complications. Additionally, the importance of regular preventive maintenance cannot be understated. It is a proactive approach that mitigates the risk of encounter low voltage readings in the future. In summary, taking these steps will not only resolve the current DTC P2228 issue, but also contribute to the longevity and reliability of the Honda Odyssey. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!